Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing fine. I'm also doing fine. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 22. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So today we are going to be cleaning the store. We have two stores, so there is a big one and a small one. The small one is on the second floor, the big one is on the third floor. So I'm going to be cleaning the big one, the one on the third floor. So I'm going to show you how it looks like right now, because we have been picking up things from here, and everyone who brings the things back, they just throw them wherever they want. So now I'm going to be cleaning. Like, I can see there is a lot of space that is empty, so I'm going to try and put there some things that are down, and then like wipe some dust. Okay, so that's what we are going to do today. Guys, doing Vlogmas is not easy. Uploading every day and having a 9 to 5 job, you're always working and you have to upload a video. You guys should show me love. Oh, English. I'm telling you guys, it's not easy at all. Ask me. We are remaining with 3 days to finish our Vlogmas. I can't wait, you guys. And then I'll announce how I'm going to be uploading, like maybe twice in a week or once in a week. We are going to cross that bridge when we reach there. So right now, let me show you how the store looks like, and then we are going to start. I will start with one side and then another side and then another side. Yeah, there is the other side, the right side, the left side, and this right side, and then there is the front side there, and then this back side, and then there is the middle. So we are going to see where we are going to start from, and then tomorrow we are going to clean the second floor store. So let me show you guys. So guys, we start from here. This one, I'm filming in 0.5. That's why my arm is so long. I want that because I can view, like you can see everything. So this one was for Ramadan. I think we are going to use it next year in Ramadan, I think in February. This one and the other big one, the white one. And then we have this carpet here. We have these tables. These tables were not here the other time. I fixed them the other side, so we had visitors. I don't know who brought them here, maybe my co-workers. So this one should be the other side and here, not like this. I fixed everything in this place, but look at it. So we have this side. This all side is for bags, as you can see. Also here for bags, see that one, this one is supposed to be up, but it's here. So everything, all these bags are supposed to be there, like traveling bags here. And then we have some chairs, those ones, you guys, these ones. And then this side, the middle side, you can see there's space there up, and we have some mattresses. There's space also there. And this is all, see, I need to fix everything here. And then this all I need to fix. Let's go this side. And then here,
I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away. It's time we make a change. Oh, you know you'll always have me. Baby, I will always stay with you. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see.
so we are going to start with that side.
Drive someplace far. Yeah, we could go for a ride. The two of us, we don't have to stop. Baby, let's go for a ride.
Guys, see how dirty this place is. I'm embarrassed.
Where we want. I'll have your bag if you'll have mine. You and I, you just living off the edge. Only good times ahead. So let me put a smile upon your face. Baby, make your worries go away. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. You and I.
Before you say anything about my socks, let me tell you a story. So my boss was going to throw these socks, and winter is coming. I don't have long socks, so I told her, don't throw them, give them to me. So they are very, very warm. Every time I want to do something or I want to go outside, I wear them. They don't fit me. That's why they look like.
We will be alright if it's you and I, you and I. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you'll have mine. You and I, you and I. Soft light.
So I've removed bags here. I'm going to clean here and there. I want to do like this. The big ones up, the middle size up here, and then the small size here down. That's what I wanted to do. From here I need to bring these ones. I put them up there, these big ones, and then those small ones, the middle size, I put them there down. That's what I want to do, guys. I'm going to show you once I'm done, because if I keep filming this, it is going to be a long video. So I'm going to organize here all, and then I would come back. I show you how it looks like after. So this is how the before. These are the bags that I've put down, and then I will come back. I show you the after.
You step back, I step away. Nothing's broken, nothing new. Only the sunrise over you and I will always have that one night.
preparing here, you guys. This is the old Wi-Fi from the old house, and we kept it, so I'm going to keep it safe because sometimes they ask me for things, you guys. I cannot just throw it because we are not using it, so I'm just going to keep everything. As you can see, these metals are for TV stand, so I'm going to keep everything in case they ask. I won't get them because sometimes they ask me things and sometimes I don't remember because I don't know where I put them. So that's why I'm always preparing things. I put things together so that when they ask me, I know where what they are asking me is.
My heart is reopened. I imagine you right here with me. Words are spoken. I imagine you right here with me. So please don't dive into.
Guys, look at this. Very cute.
Leave my love alone, and please don't be another one and say it's me you're looking for. My heart is wide open. I imagine you right here with me. Words been spoken, so I imagine you right here with me. So please don't.
iPhone cards. We are going to play games. I'm going to keep them. Time with my coworkers.
Another one and say it's me you've been looking for, like I've been looking for you, like I've been looking for you, like I've been looking for you, like I've been looking for you. My heart is wide open. I imagine you right here with me. Words are spoken. I imagine you right here with me.
So you guys, this is this side. I have finished. These are all the bags, the chairs there, that side. Don't mind this side. That's how, if you have seen that before, and this is the after, you guys. So I'm going to end this video here, and I'm going to shoot another video cleaning this side. So we are going to do 3 parts. This is the first part. I'm going to do another part cleaning the middle part, and then the third part cleaning the last part. So that's what I've decided to do, because the video, I don't want my videos to be too long to stress you guys. I think about you all the time. Anyways, so that's how this part looks like. Once I'm done, like the third part, I'm going to show you the entire store, how it looks like. Yeah, So thank you so much, you guys, for watching. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like this video, and turn on the post notification. You'll be notified when I upload a new video. I love you so much, you guys, and I hope to see you in my next video. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Bye.